Here's how to manage a wage garnishment in Gusto, step by step. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to People. This is where Gusto lists the employees connected to your account, so it is the right place to begin when you need to update payroll related details for one person. From the People section, select the employee whose wage garnishment you want to manage. Make sure you open the correct employee profile before moving forward, especially if you are working with several records in the same session. The garnishment settings are tied to that employee's pay information, so choosing the right profile matters. After the employee record opens, go to the Pay tab. This section contains the payroll details for that employee, including items that affect what is withheld during payroll runs. You may need to scroll a bit depending on how much information is already listed in the profile. Scroll down until you reach garnishments or custom deductions. This is the area where you can manage existing garnishment entries or add a new one. If you are creating a garnishment for the first time, click Add. If a garnishment already exists and you need to change it, click Edit instead. Once the form opens, select the appropriate garnishment type from the drop-down menu. Choose the type that matches the court order or agency notice you are working from. This selection determines how the garnishment is categorized in the employee's pay setup, so it is worth confirming that it matches the supporting documents before you continue. Next, enter the required garnishment details or update the existing details if you are making a change. Use the information provided in the court order or agency instructions. This can include the amount, limits, dates, or any other fields Gusto asks you to complete for that garnishment type. Follow the source document closely so the payroll setup reflects the instructions accurately. After all of the details are in place, review the information on the screen. Take a moment to confirm that the garnishment type, amounts, and any timing or limit settings are correct. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the update. Once saved, your garnishment will be handled automatically in future payroll runs according to the settings you configured. That means Gusto will apply the withholding based on the details you entered, without requiring you to set it up again each time payroll is processed. The employee's wage garnishment is now saved in Gusto and set to apply automatically in future payroll runs.